YouTubers, today we're going to be reviewing the Miroco electric kettle. It was priced for $35.99 from Amazon. So let us see what's inside the box. So it comes with a manual, the electric kettle, and the base. So looking at this product, it's made of plastic on the outside and stainless steel on the inside. And in here you can see the mark where it says the max amount of water you can put in. So we're going to see how many cups of water will fit in here to the maximum line. So I need my water. Here's 2 cups. Here's another 2 cups. And another 2 cups. So it looks like the maximum cup you can fill this is about 6 cups. So we're gonna plug in the base. Now I'm gonna put the kettle on the base. So now I'm gonna press this lever and I'm gonna time it to see how long it takes to boil water at room temperature. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that took a little bit over 6 minutes to heat up a room temperature water. And we lift it off the base. And here we pour. And here you have hot boiling water. Ooh, careful, it's hot. So there you have it. Miroco electric kettle, $35.99 on Amazon. And takes just a little over 6 minutes to boil water at the maximum capacity. To see more reviews on EMIC, please subscribe below.